Good morning, guys. Not a good morning, but I hope you guys are having a good morning. I mean, I guess trading isn't everything, so in that case, it is a good morning. But otherwise, I hate Mondays. There's nothing worse than Mondays. But started off with losing on my opening range trade, then got on a copy trade, but one fast track account that is at payout is gone. Oof, bottom ticked me short because I got in late and started the day off with the loss. I needed to just walk out for a second. Oh, and now I'm going to be late here because, yeah. It's 39.45. I don't have target set because I didn't have time. So I'm going to have to adjust once I get into a trade, I'm only going with 8 micros. Take a 4 now. That's already 10 points. I'm definitely stopping out break even. Because Mondays have been just horrible for the opening range trade in the 15-minute. So just going to stop out break even. No point of losing on this when Mondays are just not it. All right. Well, hope you guys had a good weekend. I'm pretty much done trading for the day. I'm just gonna take a couple scalps and I'm done. I always look forward to Mondays, but I work all weekend and then Mondays just crush me right off the bat. So it's just deflating. So my week starts on Tuesdays. Yeah, if I show you guys the chart from my opening range trade, you'll see why I'm in basically, I mean, this is kind of, it's before, look where I got filled on the short. I got some slippage, but the short was here and I just wasn't paying attention. It's just like those little things I do in the mornings when I'm running late that literally kill me in trading. Let's see. I hope this works for the sake of Mondays. I hope this keeps going and stuff, but no, I haven't been bottom ticked on. Well, this is the opening range trade. It's completely different than actual trading. If this keeps going higher, this is just it for me. I'm shutting off for the day if this keeps going, which I wanted to though, because I want the Mondays to show me that the opening range 15-minute is pushing. Because last 2 weeks it lost when I got the first targets and then I lost, if you remember. So if this keeps going, then today I'm gonna just call it a day. Not in the mood. Yeah, it just keeps going. Yeah, it's great. Everything I do on Mondays is just way off. So oh, this is horrible. I need my Red Bull. Have you guys felt so frustrated with trading where you don't even want to trade anymore? After you like, not even trade, but like, you know how sometimes you trade and you're so excited, you could just watch the chart. You know, you're not going to trade, but you could watch the charts. I'm at the point right now where on Mondays, I don't even want to be here. I worked all weekend, and it's everything I'm doing is wrong, and it's just like, why did it have to stop me at break even? Like, why? Every other Monday, it takes me 40 ticks, comes back, I lose, and today I stop at break even, and guess what? The stop is not supposed to be a break even, but it's only because of a Monday. And again, no progress is made. Like, there's no progress made on the winning days. How the hell is there going to be progress made ever? Oh, how is this possible today? Just straight up move on the bank holiday. That a lot of people are like, oh, are you going to trade because of the bank holiday? I'm like, the market's going to move the same. But to have it move like this, I am beating myself up. I always do. Try not to. You have to beat yourself up, because if you don't beat yourself up, you're never going to get better. I mean, I'm beating myself up and I'm not getting better. But I think eventually, I think I will get it. But this is supposed to be a huge winning day again. Like, when am I going to have a huge winning day? That's why backtesting is a bunch of bullshit, to be honest, guys. You know this, right? Everyone knows this. Backtesting means nothing. It's all forward testing. How are you gonna control the trade? How are you gonna manage the trade, your emotions, all that stuff? I mean, on paper, this is the most beautiful 15-minute opening range trade you could ask for. And I'm here with only $112 in profit. I mean, are you kidding me? I could do that in 3 seconds on a scalp. Yeah, I might take the trap on the other account. I'm just so... It's really the opening range trade I was feeling great, and then opening range trade bottom ticked the hell out of me, and just... Trading is so frustrating for me. I was so busy all weekend, I didn't even get to request my fast track payout yet. Like, I have like 20 grand sitting there, and I just don't even request it. Like, what is wrong with me? That's what I'm gonna do now, though. I'm gonna end this stream in 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and then I'm gonna request my payout. I need to go do something, I don't know, other than trading. I got so many freaking emails to do as well. I gotta be in front of the computer half the day. That's another problem. I have plenty of revals reset. I think I had like 6 evals reset. I passed 2 today. Failed 2 as well, but I just let them, occurring evals. I just let the occurring evals. Oh, my chat disappeared. Where's my chat? Oh. Bum, bum, bum. Yeah, it's bank holiday. I don't even know. I don't understand what a bank holiday is when the bank's calling me to come in. They're like, why are you not premier? You should be a premier. Whatever. Chase Bank has some premier things, and I went to go get a check. And they're like, oh, you're just letting the money sit there and blah blah blah. I'm like, I just want my check. Like, I don't want to be here talking, holding up a line for your 4%. Chase has like a CD account for like 3.7 or 4%. Like, I could get 5% for free without holding up my money. Oh my God, today's punching me in the face over and over again. Yeah, it's Columbus Day. How's that a bank holiday? I don't understand what a bank holiday is. I felt like that was like a English term, like a UK term, bank holiday. Because do we use that in the US? Like, I've never heard that till like, since I started trading futures. And now I actually don't know if it's an American term or an English term. Yes, today, Columbus Day. There's a Degen Day as well. Indigen Day. See, they spelled it wrong. It's supposed to be an E over here. Not an I, but whatever. This market is gonna turn as soon as I long. That's all I know. So I'm gonna do that. You guys let me know when you're stuck short. I will go long. What a beautiful 15-minute opening rate trade. Guys, I could have had the best Monday. I could have had, just stick to the rules. Stick to the damn rules and you have yourself a best possible outcome. Why can I do that? Why do I have to change things so often? Oh, I lost on the last 2 Mondays. Let's not trade Monday like regular rules. Let's trade Monday the way Monday has been trading. Does the market give a crap that it's a Monday? Yeah, you don't want to do Apex today. Apex, just let your evals renew, or you could reset your evals for $35. Don't buy new evals. You could let them reset by themselves, or you could just reset them yourself for 35. So it's actually not bad, especially like the bigger accounts. Is Apex still good? I mean, depends who you ask and based on what. I mean, people are gonna be loud. The problem with Apex is they have so many rules within. Nah, there's no. See, with payouts, when you don't get a payout with Apex, you broke rules, right? That they have. That's the thing. Like, so people could just be a little bit mad at themselves for not reading the. It's the same thing as like me being mad at the market right now versus being mad at myself. Who am I gonna be mad at? Myself or the market? For having a beautiful trade setup that I always take every single day, and today I decided to break even the stop because last 2 Mondays you lost. Am I going to be mad at the market or am I going to be mad at myself? Exactly. So I'm going to be mad at myself, and it's the same way with trading. If you get denied a payout, now if you get put on probation and stuff, that's different. But if you get denied a payout, that means you broke some rules, and it's not like you can't get the payout ever again, but with Apex, it's been a little bit tricky now. It's definitely not the optimal. I think Top Step is at the top right now. Yeah, regulations apparently are coming. I don't know what that means. Okay, so it is an English term. I wasn't going crazy. I was like, I've never heard anyone say bank holiday in the US before. And I'm like, the bank is open. I mean, Chase Bank called me the first thing this morning because I went there. I had to get a certified check. And I couldn't just get a check. Of course, I had to get asked questions if I want to do this, do that. And they're like, oh, you should definitely have, put your money to make it work for you. I'm like, yeah, I don't have time right now. They go, oh, we'll call you Monday. Just set something up. The bank opens at 9. They called me at 9:10. So yeah. Because it's actually pretty funny that we call it a holiday. Is this supposed to be a holy day? And now since there's holidays that are not holy days, it's not religion based. So it's a holiday. I don't know. But yeah, guys, if you're expecting me to trade, I am not going to trade. I might take a couple scalps, but I'm probably not even going to. I am so upset with myself and my trading today that I don't want to make it worse. I feel like I'm on tilt. This is as close to the tilt as I could get without actually losing. Yeah, but does the term come from holiday? I knew it. Holy day. The reason why I was thinking that is because in Polish you say it like a holy day. You don't say holiday. It's like a holy day is what? Good morning, Alpine. It's so tired after work, fell asleep and missed the open. Feel you on that. I missed everything. I wish I overslept and missed the open. Well, I did miss the open, and I ended up chasing the open, and I got my butt kicked. I blew an account with Fast Track that was at Payout. I had $3,100 in it. It wasn't at 20%, so I had to keep trading it. But yeah, there goes $2,000 right there. Just bottom ticked. I literally got short right at this red line. Why am I on tilt? You see this? So I go in here, right? Not only do I take half size, which is right away the bad part, but whatever. I took half size. I get in. I take my first target. I got 56 ticks on it, which is pretty nice. It's a little bit more than I would have if but whatever. 54 ticks. And then I set my stop to break even. And guess what? I get stopped out break even. Did it actually? Now, if it didn't actually go to break even, I am going to laugh at myself. Hold on. Did it actually go to break even? Because I did like a little bit of a front run on the break even. Okay, it did. I was going to say, if it didn't actually hit break even, I'm just going to laugh at myself. But this is a 15-second chart. You could see I got in, instant win. Set my stop to break even because last 2 Mondays I got my first target and then it came back and I lost. So I didn't want to do that today. And of course, today is the day I should have never done it, and it would have made it worth it to take the losses last couple Mondays, because today, the Monday would have been amazing and I could have had the best day this system ever created. And guess what? Now I skew all the results because I don't trade it the way I trade it every day. It's like you can't game the market. I mean, I know there's another day and stuff like that, but how I look at it is I know there's another day, but tomorrow I'm going to take full size. And what if tomorrow I lose? If this is system-based trading, tomorrow if I lose, it wouldn't be a big deal if I would have won today. But today I didn't win. Today I made $112. That's not a win. That's a break-even trade. The only thing I could do is if I decide to break even stop every single time, then that's fine. If I do this every single time moving forward, or if the first target hits, it's break even stop right away, it's got to continue. In that case, I could, just be happy with this result. But how many times am I gonna miss this big move because I'm gonna stop out break even? That's the concern. And at that point, I do have to take much bigger size. I would have to take 20 micros and get rid of like at least 12 on the first target. Day isn't over yet. For me, it pretty much is. I can't trade on tilt and when I'm upset. That's just asking for for a true tilt session, which I haven't had in a long time. I've been able to kind of just stop myself. So we're always one day away from going on tilt. And as frustrated as I am today, because I worked all week and I was so hyped about Monday, and boom, just like that, everything gets crushed and you don't even want to trade anymore. Mm-hmm. I don't know if it's expectation crush. It's poor trading crush. I don't know how to explain it. Like, how do I don't know. I guess I expected the setup to fail today. That's why I'm so upset. I'm happy that it didn't fail, because now moving forward, I could finally stop overthinking it and take it the same way every single day. But I haven't had a big day yet, and the system has given few big days, but I've always made the wrong decision to not be able to get that big day. That's the biggest thing. It's like, how do I overcome that? Am I overcomplicating things? Should I just go back to minis? I mean, minis are amazing. Minis, you make money quickly. Micros, I feel like I'm holding it, and I'm still not making any money. Obviously, the 2 accounts that are at payout, that's great. But there's other accounts that are still far away from payouts, and they're not gonna get to payout with trading minis. I mean, micros. Tom, you could reset your old evals for $35. Have I heard about profit trade? I heard a couple things, but how are they 2 times better than Apex when Apex has paid out 100 and something million in the last 3 months? There's no one that is better than Apex, and I'm just a little bit cautious with new prop firms. They're popping out left and right. You guys could definitely try them. Let us know your opinion on them. The only new prop firm that I'm trying currently is Tradeify. I'm not with them right now, but I'm definitely gonna get an account with them again. Yeah, Tradeify I think is great. You can use my code Alpine if you want to support the channel. But I don't really like promoting a prop unless people ask a prop from that I didn't receive a payout yet from, because I don't know what the experience is like. All right, Slade, that's great. I'm requesting my fast track payout today. We'll see how that goes. Is Tradeify better than Bullish? Depends how you look at it from payment perspective. Bull knocks, there's 0 rules and you have 40% consistency. There's no rules whatsoever on how you could trade. That's what makes bull knocks really great. It's like Top Step. Nope, they have end of day drawdown. Oh, do I take a scalp? Do I take a scalp? Oh, I was on the 15-second chart. I didn't realize. Why do I think Apex hasn't put out a sale? That is a very good question. I'm not going to speculate, so I'm not going to... Maybe there's a couple of things. Maybe they don't want people to always rely on the sale because of regulations coming. If there's regulations coming. Maybe they want to scale down the size of the business that they have. That would be another reasonable explanation. But yeah, they usually bring back the sales on Tuesdays, so we'll see if there's a sale come. If there's no sale tomorrow, then it's gonna be like, all right, there's definitely a different plan for Apex. But we've had a week before without a sale, or it was like 71% off or something. One Day Pass is not gone. One Day Pass is still here. $85 activation is still here. Kevin, you have to trade it for 5 days total. And then you're gonna submit a past qualification request on the dashboard of Bullnox. Yeah, you can flip. Dream Tracer, exactly what I mean. Like, I feel like between the no evaluations for a lot of people, now 50% off, not many people are going to buy the evals. Maybe that's the new industry standard, right? There's a lot of things to consider because if these prop firms have all similar rules, like look at Top Step. Top Step is doing well, and guess what? Top Step does not have any sales. One Day Pass is not gone. No. That is still active. TopStep had a sale a couple times before. In the past, they had like a $11 sale. They would do free resets all the time. They keep a fair price. I don't know. I mean, TopStep 150K account gets very expensive. You're paying $300 for a very difficult eval with activation. It's like, you better hope that you pass that damn eval quickly. Or not quickly. You hope that you pass it without blowing it, a couple of times. Jarna, I don't know how to get this anymore. In my Discord, we do have it actually, I think, still. That's an invite for you, Jarna. My Discord's not open to public, like all the time, so it's just. Oh yeah, I do that all the time. I like to BK. I do that all the time. Like, you mean 2 different groups? Yeah, you could do that easily. If you want to trade different accounts differently and stuff like that, yeah. Paul, it's Alpine 90. Don't use Alpine on Bullnox, guys. Please do not use Alpine on Bullnox. Someone is stealing my code. So do not use Alpine on Bullnox. You want to use Alpine 90. Do I know when the next Apex sale is? I have no idea. If there was one, it will be tomorrow. Because usually on Tuesdays is when they drop them, but. That's a plugin. I don't know where to get it from, to be honest. ICT. I got it in my Discord. Someone sent it to me. I don't know. I wish I knew the source of it, where to get it. It only works for 50K accounts. It doesn't work for other accounts. Doesn't display them properly. Doesn't work for every prop firm. So it's designed for 50K accounts with Apex. Come on, fill me. Well, right now the code is 50% off. On Apex, it's 50% off. It's not 80. Yeah, the reset's 35 on Rhythmic. I don't really have Alpine 90 also coming up as... Oh, maybe the code expired. Maybe the 90% off expired on Bullnox. I don't even know. Let me check. $10.13. Today's what? Oh, yeah. They ended the sale yesterday, guys. Sorry. I'll keep you guys posted if there's something else. Yeah, there's no sale on Bullnox right now, guys. No sale on Bullnox. I could see all the sales that they have. Oh, man. Okay, my emotions have calmed down a little bit. Tomorrow's going to be a better day. I know it. At least the Monday was in red, which is already much better than the last 2 weeks. Yeah, Top Step is definitely one of the top choices right now. ICT, I have no idea. It's a plugin for QUANTOWER that you got to find somewhere because I was given it. I didn't find it on the website or anything, so I don't know where there's a website with it. It's in my Discord, so if you are in the stream at some point when I share the link, you could join the Discord and it's in there. But I have no way of. I don't want to post it on social media without knowing who the creator of it is. I know it's free though, but whoever made it should definitely make a website. Even if they charge $5 for it, I think that would make some money. Yeah, it's a plugin. It doesn't work that well for all the accounts. It only works well for like 50K accounts. I mean, you get used to it to see what it needs to display. Like 150K account doesn't display properly. 250K doesn't display properly. Other prop firms don't display properly. Dun-dun-dun-dun. How was your weekend, guys? I worked. Yesterday I worked all day on my garage. I gotta text the sheetrock guy. I mean the spackle guy. I put the sheetrock by myself, my dad. My dream garage is coming together. I'm still like hesitant to paint it black. Because when you paint it black, to get it back to white, it's gonna be a nightmare. But I think black garage looks nice. I feel like gray is just so white and gray is such a like a garage color. Yes, today counts as a trading day. Today is a normal trading day, guys. It's not really a holiday. There's nothing closed. The banks are open. Yeah, I know I need like I'm gonna get the hex lights, but yeah, black is gonna absorb and white reflects light. Banks are not closed. Not by me. I already got 2 missed calls from Chase Bank this morning. They want me to come in. I went to get a certified check Thursday or Friday, and I have like more money in there than I guess average person. Because most people that have money like that, they put it into like Citibank or invest it somewhere, whatever, right? So that money is in there. Like I use it for spending, and then some of it is for taxes as well. Because I keep most of my money in my SoFi bank, so I earn like 4.7%. But they're like, "Oh, you should sit down with us and we could talk different options." I'm like, "Nah, I don't have time." They're like, "Oh, we'll call you Monday." I'm like, "Okay." So they called me twice already, and the bank's been open for an hour. Do I trade more? That's the thing. The approvals have been done pretty quickly unless you get put under review. But if you get to request a payout, they're done pretty quickly. I am so curious to see what the payouts are going to be like with Apex now, like in September and October. Like how much less of payouts is there going to be? They do take history into consideration for, but mostly if you took payouts before. If you never took payouts, then it should be fine. I got slipped on a trade 40 points on Thursday when the price didn't even get close to there within the 15 window. I'm assuming wood chip, it wasn't on CPI, was it? No, I don't think they could show live accounts. Bull knock sell ended yesterday. I didn't realize. Elite Trader Funding has 85% off. Maybe I'll give them a try again. Alper, where are you from? Okay, so you're not in US. US banks are open. I don't know if they do. I don't know what rules they have. I stopped trading with them when they changed all the rules. So I haven't really checked what the rules are now. In the past, I used to like them. US banks are open, yes. Oh, wait. Okay, not all banks are open. I lied. Because my bank is the only crazy one that's open. No. TD Bank is open. Chase is open. Columbia Bank is open. Valley Bank is open. So PNC Bank is closed. Nah, we don't use the term bank holiday. It's Columbus Day. That's what really is today. Am I born and raised in the US? No. Nope, nope, nope. What do you mean, Stefan? Alpine is Dominican. I will be Dominican in 3 weeks. I am flying out to Dominican Republic on the 30th. And I'm coming back on no, not the 5th. I think. But I'm going for work. I'm going by myself, but I'll know a bunch of people there, so it's all good. If the Wi-Fi is good, I'm going to stream from there on 31st. Punta Cana. Where am I from? I'm from Poland. I'm a dual citizen. I became a US citizen in 2011. I became a US resident in 2001. When my green card expired 10 years later, I went for my citizenship test, which was actually so easy. Just had to study for a little bit, but it's more like a history lesson more than anything. It's actually pretty funny. I guess it makes sense, but like the thing is, like in Poland, the history classes and stuff are so like difficult. It's like I don't know. I mean, I only went to elementary school, so I can't really say. But like in high school, I'm sure a lot of people learned a lot more about history in Poland than they did here. So usually those questions are easy. So I don't know. I don't really know what the point is of the test. Why did my family decide to move to the US? I don't really know the full story. I know my grandma, she won. So back in the 80s, they did like lottery visas. My grandma won, and then she came here, and then my dad, her son, came a few years later. So in like 91, I think my dad came for the first time. I don't know. And then we applied for my visa and my sister's, my brother's visa in 96. And we didn't get it till 2001. So we waited 5 years to come here. It's crazy. Like we knew we were moving for 5 years, but we didn't know when. That's why I have a pretty strong belief on immigration, legal immigration, but I'm a little bit biased, I guess. Oh, no, I didn't get anything. I mean, I was in elementary school in Poland. So the only thing that was interesting is when I came here and I was in math class, I was kind of like, wait, why are we learning this when I learned this 2 years ago type of thing? So I didn't speak any English, and then I still did really well in math. So that was kind of fun. Math was very, very easy. But I was also good at math, so that kind of made it. Why is there no Apex discount? We don't know. We do not know the reason. The big thing, like the difference in Poland is like you have geography classes, right? We never had geography in the US. Um, you have physics in sixth grade. You have um, like way more difficult, like geography's in fourth grade, history's like in fifth grade, like real, not social studies, like history, physics, biology, all that stuff. It's like, it's crazy hard. I was a failing student in Poland, and in the US, I became like, I don't know. I was also a bad kid, I guess. So that probably didn't help. And in the US, I kind of became the things I did in Poland, I would have been expelled in school here probably. But also, things changed, especially after 9/11. Double bottom here. I don't know if I trust it though. Yeah, crazy sell-off. Here you think it's gonna be a bullish day. You want to take the first pullback to the long side, and boom, you get caught. If you took every fail of a higher, a new high, then you would just get squeezed all the time. It really is kind of the cliche way of looking at it, but I guess though, I don't know. What a sell-off. Holy shit. Like, if you just catch that, I mean, wow, like, look at that. I have to short this. I mean, this is just going to fall apart. But that's how you know it's going to just bounce. Bum. Well, the big move happened, but I didn't see it coming. I was long biased here, so I'm kind of just thankful that I didn't take it. I did not see this move coming at all. It's very, very violent. Holy shit. Look at this. 61 points. See if it's going to bounce off this. Oops. Sorry guys, I probably woke you guys up. I'm just making sure you guys are not sleeping behind the wheel. Do I short this bounce? I think I'm done. Pretty much traded all the accounts except the one with the little bit of drawdown. Yep, should have shorted the bounce. Didn't trust myself. Damn. This is gonna just... I think it's gonna sell off. So weak. That was a weak bounce. Do I do it? See. As soon as I short, it stops. Yep. That's great. Of course, the second. I'm sitting through the most difficult time. Yeah, I was not expecting this to be like this. So I was very bullish today, especially after this move here. Is it gonna break the lows? I think it's gonna break the lows. That is the cleanest sell-off you could ask for as a short seller, though. There's the new lows. Insane, insane. No, I think 14 days is perfect. No, 14 days is like you're not playing the payout game. You're just trading your own style. You're up 1,000. Very nice. I'm gonna call it a day, guys. I'm gonna request my tops. In my my fast track payouts, and then I got a bunch of emails to get to and stuff like that. So I'm gonna call it an early Monday. Obviously didn't start well, and Top Step's not going. I still haven't done Top Step funded. Top Step is just very difficult to pass. It's just maybe I'll do it later. You can't, Rob, because you are on a different platform. Henry, no. I mean, I back in like August or whatever, or July, I was asked, but like many people, I didn't have to do it. They still approved my payout. Alex, it's not about the drawdown. It's about the 50% consistency. Rob, no, it's different rules for Top Step X versus QUANTOWER. I might do one account with Top Step X if the 50-minute opening trade starts to work. If it starts to work, plus I use micros on it. Tricky with Top Step, you can't use micros, right? So if I go back to minis on the opening range trade, on the 15-minute opening range trade, then yeah, but Trader Bob, you got to make that twice in a row. Like that's very difficult to do. If I can make $1,500 a day, why do you think I'm only up $112 today, right? I mean, if you guys have a tactic to pass evals quickly on Top Step X or Top Step in general, let me know. I mean, I'm assuming people that are passing Top Step evals quickly are people that are able to trade for big profits. I can't trade for big profits. I've never been able to. This is why, for me, I was never able to make a lot of money trading stocks. I can't have a big trading day. It just doesn't work mentally. You know, every time I'm up a lot, or I think I'm up a lot, I take the profit and then it keeps going, right? And then it keeps going, it keeps going, keeps going. If I would have held, yes, I would have made a lot. But guess what? Next time I'm going to hold, it's not going to keep going. It's going to pull back. And guess what? I'm going to lose. And then the following time, I'm going to say, you know what? Never holding again. And I'm just going to scalp. And when I scalp, I do way better, but I do miss out on the big profit days. So for me to pass evals quickly, it's almost impossible unless I just YOLO. Which with Top Step, you don't want to YOLO because they're expensive. So that's my dilemma right now with Top Step. But that's why I was never a fan of Top Step evals. I was always a fan of Top Step funded, but I was never a fan of Top Step evals because they just take so long to pass. If you could pass it in 2 days, good for you. I'm talking about myself, right? Everything I do is all about me. It's never about, because I always talk about every prop firm has benefits and cons, but it depends on the trader himself and how the trader trades, right? Everything is going to be suitable for you or against you depending on your trading style. So Top Step is definitely not suitable for me because of even the PA on Top Step is not really, or the funded is not really my type of account, because if I make $200 a day, Top Step does not give me any benefits for making $200 a day. Top Step gives you a lot of benefits when you could make $2,000 a day, right? When you can make $2,000 a day, Top Step will give you, you know, much bigger payouts. But if you make $200 a day, you're not making any more money than you would with any other prop firm, for that matter. So, but I do think overall Top Step is just, you know, right now they're doing really well. I think outside of that, they have no trading rules and do whatever you want in the funded account. I think that's a great aspect of Top Step. Bum, 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 bum. What regulations are coming in? I have no idea. The only thing I could think of is kind of what Daryl talked about, and that they want to see people going live. They want a clear path of live trading. They don't want to make this like a video game where it's like you lose and you just, you know, insert coin again and then you keep going with it. If you go to live account, eventually you provide liquidity for the market. I think that's what it's coming down to. I think they want to provide liquidity to the market. They want to have easy fish to take money from. No other way to put it. The easy fish right now in the markets, you could say they're trading with prop firms. They're not trading live markets. So I don't know. It's not a rumor. It's not confirmed by anyone, but when it's coming, it's been said that it is coming, but by the owners of, you know, of prop firms. I know Daryl said it, and I'm pretty sure Take Profit Trader owner said it as well. The law already exists. Do you have proof of that, JS? Firms have to make 30% from live trading. Huh. Where's the proof of this? Well, that's an interesting take on it. Which would make sense with Apex not doing sales and stuff. Do casinos go live? But casino is a casino. It's gambling. Stock market or the financial market's not supposed to be a casino. There's a difference. And it's CME controlled, right? We're using CME data, so it's not like they have no say. CFD prop firms are going to be okay, but they're not going to have to. But CFD prop firms are not going to be really allowed for the US traders. I mean, I guess you might be able to do it, but like on YouTube, you won't be able to do it. Like I wouldn't be able to do a CFD prop firm, I don't think. Any complaints about take profit? Daily loss limit fails your account. And there's also a trailing drawdown. So you have a daily loss limit and the trailing drawdown, which is the only prop firm to do that. I don't know of any other prop firm that does that. Crypto, not a good day, not a bad day, but not a good day. Yeah, it fails the account, so it's kind of harsh because if you get like, let's say you set yourself a max loss limit on the Rhythmic, and then you just have slippage, you're screwed. And sometimes you could get caught in like a 10 a.m. news that you're not fully aware of, or an auction could be more violent than usual, and you get some slippage, and you could hit it. You don't get 3 free resets now. That would be too good to be true. Yeah, they're from Dubai. Oh, interesting. Yeah, I mean, any new prop firm, especially offshore, I'm just more cautious with. I mean, I wish them well and I hope they do well, but I'm not going to promote them and act like, there's other YouTubers that are already promoting them like they're the best prop firm. And it's like, these guys that's how you like, when it comes to affiliates, you could see who's in for the affiliate, just straight for affiliate. They just hop in for the new shiny object. I don't know. I just have a different approach. If I didn't get a payout from anyone, I'm not promoting them, right? That's my rule. It's like if I didn't get a freaking payout from them, I don't know how they operate. How the hell am I going to promote someone like that? Oh, they're former TickTick founders. Interesting. That's who someone said that. Traderify actually has a legit approach. Yes, but Brett is not a saint. I don't really care about that though, but I'm just saying. And Brett is getting involved in all the drama on Twitter. So like, I don't like that. But I think Tradeify is great. I just haven't gotten in the payout, so I'm not gonna put a link to it until I get a payout. Or at least, a decent payout, not just $2,000. Cheap direct funding. So who owns Tick Tick Trader now then? Let me see. I'll tell you this much. These prop firms are doing a terrible job with picking names. And I just typed in profit trade prop firm and nothing's coming up on Google. Like it should be profittrade.com. Like, all right, we're back. I don't know what happened, but my OBS crashed. So it's $98 for $198 for direct. Okay. Interesting. LA2BK, you could have multiple rhythmics open. I usually don't, but you can. Like I don't usually have ball locks open. Profit trade funding. It's terrible names though. You guys have to realize profit trade, there's so many names like that. Like you got to pick a unique name. That's what people don't understand when it comes to marketing 101. But let's see. Direct funding, daily loss limit. So it's same as, so they pretty much copied Tick Tick. Yeah, 3 accounts. They copied Tick Tick. Like they started new Tick Tick. Like, what's the point of that? Yeah, Dream Chaser. I heard that, and it makes no sense. Why would you just start the same prop firm? It's like daytraders.com. A guy used to work for Apex, and he made the same exact rules. Like, you gotta create something different so people go to you. I don't think 10 is needed, but 5 accounts. No, but like, I would need a single reason why I should use profit trade versus take profit. I mean, versus tick tick. I used to use tick tick. And if I wanted to use profit trade, why wouldn't I just use tick tick, who's been around for much longer? You know, like those are the things that come to my mind. And I'm like, what are you thinking about launching a platform like this and not creating something different and unique that would attract people to you? Payout policy. Let's see. Is there a payout policy? FAQs. Yeah, 100% of your first 25,000. Okay, so you can't take out the safety net. Okay, so you can't trade. It looks like you can't trade your accounts when they're pending. That was the thing with TickTick. You can't touch your account. Like they don't let you trade your account when it's pending payout, which for some people I guess would be good. Yeah, I mean, again, brand new. If you want to try it, go ahead. I didn't see. You could take out from the safety net. Well, if you could take out from the safety net, then that's better than TickTick. I must have misread that. Like, where do you guys see that you could take out the safety net where it clearly says that the minimum balance for payout needs to be at 52,600? Does that mean you could take it out? Okay. So they gotta make this clear. That's not bad then. That's better than TickTick because TickTick you can't take out the safety net. I read an article where CME might consider prop firms gaming and not get involved. But how could they not get involved when we're using CME data? Ugh. Yeah, I don't know. Airboat, I have no idea. I would love that to be the case, but I feel like this industry is becoming way too big for it not to be regulated. They want a piece of the pie too, you know? That's what it comes down to. Crazy sell-off. Well, in that case, I hope that's the case and you're right, but we don't. That's why we can't speculate because we have no idea. Is the market open all day? Yeah, it's a normal day. As you can see, the volatility is very high and it's a good day for trading, except for me. I'm pretty much done because I had a really mentally tough morning. Why don't I show account number? I do show the account number. It's right here. Or every time I click on the drop down menu, you could see it. I don't think it would be that substantial, JS, because I think it requires NQ is so liquid that I don't think prop traders would move it. JX, some people that are on probation, apparently that's the case, but not on, if you're trading with Apex and you're not on probation, then no. Raul, yes, it is. They can't see if you use the mental stop or if you use a hard stop. I don't think there's a difference. Maybe there is on the back end, but I don't know if there is. All I know is on Tradeovate, you can't use a hard stop when you use a bracket order, or when you're copy trading, I should say. When you're copy trading multiple accounts, you can't. When you're copy trading multiple accounts, you can't use a bracket, right? So how are you gonna use a hard stop in that case? You got to put the stop in yourself, which is basically a mental stop. Where can I see if I passed the profit target? Your balance, your equity balance, your account balance should be whatever account size you're trading plus the target. Yeah, so you're good. You passed it. As long as it's at 53,001, even 53,000 even, you would still pass. Is this a historic first of no Apex sale running? Not really. That was normal back in the day. Back in the day, it was normal. I don't know if Discord, if there's a profitable Discord like that, you guys let me know. I want to join. I want to see what it's about. If trading was that easy, then I want to know. All right, guys, I'm going to call it 10 more trading days from payout request. Not approval. It's from the request. When you request the payout, it logs the day you requested the payout. And speaking of payouts, the payout window opens tonight. Let's see if I can request a payout tonight from these two accounts. Am I on 10 days? I don't even know. Nope, I'm on day number 9. And day number 17. Yeah, I won't be able to request the payout till tomorrow and Wednesday. Do I live in Quebec? No, I'm in the USA. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it. It's already 12. I was supposed to be done like 2 hours ago. I said I'm done. I'm in a better mood now, so hopefully I get over it today and no damage done, right? And the system worked. So there's 2 positive things out of today. The loss of potential profit, that's something we could get over by, getting a couple of good days in a row of profits. So with that being said, if the rest of the week is like the last 2 weeks, I was red on Monday. So today I took a different approach. And of course, today would have been the Monday that everything would have worked out perfectly fine. So I just got to stick to it. And hopefully the rest of the week is decent. And then we could request more payouts. Well, that's pretty cool. Same day. How did they know? Camera's reversed. Why is it reversed? That's pretty innovative if they activate the PA account the same moment you pass it. How much are the challenges? I don't even know. How much is a 50K eval with them? $16. Corey, yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay, requested that. I gotta request all the accounts though. Okay, requested 4,000. This account blue today, so I won't be able to request. But was I even... Let me see something. Yeah, so this account I blew today, but I wasn't able to see. I wasn't able to request. I don't know what my consistency was. Okay, 6,000. 8,000 requested. Bob, that's from 25K accounts. Fast track. I'm just going down the line. I forgot how many I requested already. I think I'm at 10,000 now. $12,000. $16 for an eval, and then you could get, if you pass, then you could get activated the same day, apparently. I hope I could see everything I requested. Still requesting. Nizarama, I don't think so. You got profit trade, got a long way to go to take over. You got my funded futures, you got Top Step, you got so many other prop firms. Stephon, yeah, I mean, they just have some issues with payouts. They're behind on money. So hopefully they... We'll see how long it takes me to get approved. Or even if I get approved. I mean... Okay, so I think that's it. Now, how did I check? Okay, I think it's payout history. Payout request. Okay, so I requested 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 17, 18,500. Not bad. I have a couple other accounts I still got to trade. I was going to trade them all to get all of them to pay out. And then got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 17, and there's one more. There's one more. So there's 3 $1,500 accounts. So we'll see. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna call it. What made me go with the 50Ks on fast track? Just the drawdown amount. But I've traded those accounts for a long time, guys. I didn't rush it. I've been with it for over a month now. It's not something I rushed. I wasn't gonna say anything till I got the money in the bank. But people kept saying, "Oh, why don't you use fast track? Why don't you use fast track?" Well, I don't want to jump the gun. And like I said, I don't want to talk about a prop firm I didn't receive payouts from, especially with all the drama that's happening. Yeah, exactly. See, like there's so much drama with fast track. I don't want to recommend it to anyone that's doesn't feel comfortable with them. I have no issues with them. Um, Obviously, I have payouts from other prop firms, so I could risk a little bit of money if the worst things were to happen. But I think fast track is just has a really, really good model, and it's easier to be profitable with them. Am I close to payout with them? I just requested 18,500. I haven't been copy trading. Usually I do copy trade prop firms, but right now I haven't been copy trading a lot because I haven't been trading that well. I haven't been trading that well, so for me it's like, I don't know. All right, guys. I am definitely calling it. For yourself, no, I don't. The only prop firms I have a link for is Bullish, Apex, and I have a code for Tradeify because they created it for me. But with Fast Track, I think it's FTT underscore 45 or something. All right, guys, I'm calling it. I gotta go eat. Yeah, I'm not counting on for Bullox you want to do let me see if Bullox changed the yeah, they just yeah, so it's Bullox extended the sale till the 15th, so till tomorrow. It's 90% off. They just sneaked it in there. Alpine 90 is your code. That's why I want to get funded with more. I did call it a day. I haven't traded much. Yeah, it probably doesn't apply to a 10K account. You want to get the 50K account or 25K. The 10K is just micros. Visual trading. Number one, I did not buy Traderify. Number two, only because it's not a sustainable model doesn't mean it's bad. And Traderify is way different. Traderify does not have 80 accounts. It's way different. Traderify does not have zero commission trading. What do you guys think of a garage like this? One sec. Rewind that. Like, do you think all black garage is too much? I freaking love it. I mean, this is sick. Yeah, I think I want to stick with it. Yeah. Like, I have this black wall here, and I don't think it's bad. I'm gonna send a picture to my dad because he's one of the people that's like, it's like, you're crazy for going black. I don't know. If you got the right lighting, yeah, I'm gonna get the same lights that you saw in the video. And Porsche things all over the wall. Yeah, so let me show you what I'm gonna get as well. All right, guys, I gotta go. I'm distracted here. No, I'm done for the day. I'm signing off here any moment now. We're just talking cars and garages. What do you guys think? Should I get these letters in white or should I get them in red? This looks sick in my opinion. White? Okay. That's all I needed to know. I leave? You want me to leave, David? Okay, fine. It's crazy how cold it's gonna get this week. It's gonna be in the 30s. Yeah, thanks for using my code. If you guys are using my code, I am gonna try to get more. I want to get 3 fundeds with Bullnox. Where's my Bullnox at right now? I am up $617 on Bullnox. So see, like this box doesn't show properly for Bullnox accounts. When people ask, like, "Oh, where do you get this from?" Like, it's not really that. Like, I know I'm up 617, not today, on the account. Drawdown is not 111. This is how much I am up today. My drawdown is 2390. 10 accounts, Niels. I still got like 3 accounts to get to pay out. I lost 1 account today, though. You guys want to see the trade? Look at my opening range trade today. How freaking unlucky I was. It was my fault, though. I should have been in here, but unfortunately, if we look at like 15-second chart, it looks better to explain what I did and why I did what I did. So I missed this open. So then I just set I said, all right, if it breaks this candle again, I'll go short. Well, that was the bottom tick. Instant reversal. I got out of the ads here, and I thought I was going to be fine. And then, unfortunately, didn't work. All right, guys, I am going to call it. You guys have a good rest of your day. I do like this long, but tempted. Little Bullnox trade. Pay for lunch. There you go. That was $60 for lunch. All right, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow at 9:30. I'm over the miss today. So today I was upset because I mishandled my 15-minute opening range trade, and then got out break even. So I got my target. I got out break even, and I don't know. I don't know what to do moving forward. Do I just get out when it closes below the 15-minute range? I don't know. I don't know what to do, but oh yeah, I'm okay with losing the account. I don't really. I've done that, missed. I've done that for. I have a. I'm working on it with my friend, and we have months of charts saved. And it's just... I don't know what the result is better, because that's hard to do. That's hard to do in replay mode. It's hard. It's hard to determine what's better. The biggest issue right now is I have not been able to capitalize on a single trade, and I won on this trade every single day except for Mondays for the last couple of weeks, and I have not had one big trading day yet. Like, when this trade wins, it should win around $700 to $800. I think I had it once. No, I might have had it once. No, I didn't. It was something else. All right, guys. Again, goodbye for the last time today. This is my, I think, 47th goodbye. See you all tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a better day. I'm going to be on earlier. 9:30 I'll be on for sure. And yeah. 48th. Oh, damn. I miscounted. I love you guys. Thanks for tuning in. And hit the likes on your way out. And I'll see everyone tomorrow. It's going to be a good rest of the week. And at least next Monday, that's the funny part. Next Monday, actually, next Monday I'll be at the track. So I don't know if I'm going to be trading from the track. It might be. Depends on the timing. Depends what time. I'll be going out on the track at probably like 10:20 or something. I'm not going in the advanced group. I'm going with the novice group just to test out the car. And then I could go up to the advanced group whenever I want, but Should just enjoy the track. Yeah, maybe. Maybe I'll do that. We'll see how the rest of this week goes. And then we'll determine if I'm going to trade on the track. All right, guys. See ya tomorrow.